this is the image I ended up creating. But this is the image I started out with, taken in Japan some years ago. If you want to bring your travel photos to the next level, let me show you how you could do it by taking you with me on this super easy editing journey in Photoshop. And note, we really just need Photoshop to change the sky, and otherwise we'll just use the camera raw filter, so you can also do this in Luminar or Lightroom or something like that. Now, I want the image to have an orange and a bit of blue color feel to it. So I need to find a sky that resembles that. This one is actually one that was originally in Photoshop, which is easy enough. But of course you can always get skies from web pages like pexels.com or something like that. There are enough out there. Now in this one, I love the gradient, but of course you have to use whatever fits your photo. So let's let Photoshop do the work and head to Edit and Sky Replacement. Let's load in our new sky if you have one, or use the one that you want and hit OK. Make sure you have the output set to new layers though. So now we have a new folder with all the sky content in it. You can adjust the sky layers if you need to, which is a bit more complicated if you are a beginner, but I'll link a video to get you started on layers. But once done, or not done if you didn't need to, hit Command or Control, Option, Shift and E on the keyboard. This will copy everything that you can see right now on your screen onto a separate layer. With that layer selected, let's head to Filter and Camera Raw Filter. Now let's do some magic. Let's add a little texture and a little clarity. Increase the saturation a bit and head down to the color mixer. See how the statue in itself is a little green. Take down the saturation of the greens to literally 0. Remember, we want orange and blue to be the color field, not green. Sweet, now we just head down to Effects, add a touch of a vignette, which will simply darken down the edges of your image a bit. But now the most important step. Head back up to the Basics tab and play with the light to make it pop. Check this out. If I use the white slider here, yo ho ho. Let's raise the shadow a bit and hit OK. And there we go. I hope this video was helpful in understanding how easy it can be to create a colorful image out of a really boring travel photo in Photoshop in, well, what is that, 2 minutes? I don't know yet, I haven't edited yet. Maybe 3? So don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button if you so desire and you found this video helpful. As always, stay safe, happy editing, and I shall see you next time.